So this is the Mövenpick Hotel in Karachi. We just checked in. It took us like 35 to 45 minutes to check in, which was very terrible. However, the rooms are okay. It's probably the best hotel in Karachi. Standard kettle and things. There's a little bit of dirt there. I don't know what that is, but minor. Probably some almonds or something. The rooms are clean. Looks good enough to me. They'll do the job. We're here for one night. Fresh duvets, as you'd expect. Pillows look good. There's a working desk there. Let's have a look. Giving you complimentary water, as you'd expect. Not much of a view, if I'm honest with you. There's not even any point going there. There's no reason. The guy's here with the luggage. Let's check. Whilst he does that, let's look at the bathroom. Nice and clean. Toilet, shower, well, spray. You can tell the signs of wear and tear. But it's okay. They'll give you shaving kit, comb, dental kit, sanitary bag, some more water. I'm honest with you, it's dated, but it's clean. A shower facility.